It was great fun delivering passengers to stations in the beautiful countryside. But Duck was not happy. The trucks were playing their silly games.
Duck should play with other ducks, 'cause he's no good at pulling trucks. Quack, 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 hold back, they giggled.
Duck found himself going slower and slower and slower. Halfway up Gordon's hill, his wheels stopped altogether. Duck was stuck. "Oh no," said his driver, "this is Gordon's line." Duck's guard phoned the signalman to warn him.
"It's too late to switch Gordon to the middle line," said the signalman. "You'll have to flag him down."
Gordon saw the guard.
"If I stop on this hill, I'll never get started again,"
he said crossly, and he buffered up to Duck. Gordon tried to set off again, but his wheels spun and spun. "It's no use, we need the back engine," said the driver. "I'll send for Edward." Gordon was cross. Edward was excited. He was going to be the back engine for 2 trains. Edward cheerfully buffered up, and the strange trains set off. They chuffed gently into the station. "Look at that," laughed a boy. "The back engine must be the strongest and the best." Gordon was embarrassed. Sir Topham Hatt spoke severely to Gordon. "You have said rude things about Edward," Sir Topham Hatt said. "He proved today that he is useful, reliable, and very helpful." Gordon felt very ashamed. The next morning, Gordon apologized.
"Thank you for helping me, Edward," puffed Gordon. "You really are a useful engine."
"It's good to be back," Edward chuffed happily. Sir Topham Hatt's plan had worked. There was no more talk about Edward retiring.